Hi! In front of me is Microsoft Surface Pro 8 and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off location of this device. Begin by opening Settings. In them, choose Privacy and Security, scroll down and click on Location under App Permissions. Now you need to select this blue switcher next to Location Services, and as you can see after that, location of this device was successfully turned off. In order to turn it back on, click on the same, now white switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!